Baking soda and apple cider vinegar have long been extolled for their many health benefits, though it may sound strange. The combination can improve the appearance of hair and skin while also strengthening the immune system and creating a healthy alkaline metabolic environment. Apple cider vinegar and baking soda drink is the name of the concoction. The drink promotes a healthy alkaline metabolic environment, strengthens the immune system, and improves the appearance of your skin. Here is how the drink works. Apple cider vinegar has been demonstrated to aid weight loss in numerous trials. Its principal active ingredient aids weight loss by increasing metabolism, inhibiting hunger, and lowering fat storage in the liver and abdomen. It also lowers cholesterol, improves blood sugar levels, and aids in the battle against viral infection. Baking soda has also been shown to help shed fat more quickly. It promotes digestion, breaks down fat, and aids in the reduction of abdominal fat. When used with baking soda, apple cider vinegar improves blood sugar levels, induces satiety, and lowers calorie consumption. All of this, in turn, aids weight loss. How to make the apple cider vinegar and baking soda drink. Mix 2 teaspoons of raw apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of baking soda in a glass. Add water to the glass and drink it. Remember to consult with your doctor before drinking this combination every day. Especially if you have diabetes, digestive problems, or any other stomach, mouth or esophageal problems.